Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Really simple pinwheel type effect. So we're just going to take a couple of tools here. Let's zoom in. And we're going to go to the polygon tool and get our common shapes. And right here, you have a common shape that's kind of like it'll draw stuff like that. And you can make this whatever size you want. I'm going to go ahead and now mirror it upside down. And then I'm going to take a triangle, and this is where you can kind of make it your own. So I'm going to go polygon, three-sided, and I'm going to hold down the control button, and I'm going to make it about that big. And then I'm going to take that node right there, and I'm going to join it right there. I'm going to use a different color this time just to see how it looks. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool, and we're going to fill this in with, let's do this purple. Do both of them. Now that one is selected. So get your interactive fill tool, and you could go either direction, but it makes it so if you go down and then put a black in that side, it'll kind of make it look like a folded piece of paper. Now at this time I would select them both and right click your mouse, no outline. I'd go ahead and go to object and group it together. I'd control D and make a duplicate, double click on the rotation and move your rotation to that node. You know, make sure you're on the node. If you're on the edge, it's not going to work. Rotate it 90 degrees, control D, 180 degrees, and control D. Now it's really going to look better if we put I'm going to go ahead and group it together. Control G. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to bring in a black box. Since I've been doing color, I've figured out a black box really kind of makes it stand out. Go to order, back of page, especially if you have some shadow. And I'm going to hit P, put that in the center of the page. So that's a really simple pinwheel that looks like the arms are folded. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.